That's Witches Broom. It looks like a tree's upside down.
I thought that is upside down.
No, it's a disease. So it's funny because you're asking what happened to that tree, and then you notice there's a bunch of dead ones, and then you see stuff like this.
Yeah.
So it's a disease in the trees here.
So it makes the tree grow roots.
It's not roots, or just, yeah, I mean, kills them and just makes them funny. But someone's trying to maintain this road.
Yeah, which means it clearly is a way.
See, there's more.
Yeah.
Witches Broom.
I swear when I saw that,
Cool.
I thought it was...
Quiet campsite.
Yeah.
With a bunch of diseased trees.
And I don't really like it, because there's no view.
Uh-huh.
And I don't like having trees in the middle.
Why are you putting rocks on stumps?
Oh, I
Just joking.
Okay, never mind. I would kind of like this. This big, nice rock which I was putting on, but not now. It's running away. Someone.
Good campers. Make sure to leave all your trash in the fire pit.
There's a lot of glass pieces too. Good.
Jackasses.
Go those people.
See this diseased tree? See this?
Yeah.
Witch's Broom. See, that's a part of the branch of that tree.
Yeah.
They just get diseased.
That's a weird branch. Well,
Yeah. This is so, look at all these trees growing. The disease is spread to everything here. This is what you could call a creepy forest. What that is in there?
I don't know. That is a shotgun.
Something chewed on. Piece of plastic. Yeah. Squirrel chewing on it for some reason. Put it in there. Looks like. They have these big stomp marks here.
Strong wind.
See? Those big impressions.
Yeah. That's from a person. They were walking up.
Go ahead and walk though. And see if you leave a mark like that. You see how we don't leave any marks at all?
Well, it might have been a sleepy day. They were running up really fast.
Yeah, that's what your brain does. Tries to make up things, but then if you put water down and make it slippy and run up, you're still not going to be able to do that.
Oh, it's me saying that.
That's a nice little pine tree. The thing's going to grow up here and just get the same disease as all the rest of them.
That's sad. Could save it.
Yeah, they should come chop this whole area, all these diseased trees down, and this, you know, maybe they're already taking care of it.
That's a weird tree.
Where?
Twisted in every direction.
Yeah. That's what it does. It just messes with their, like, you know, their cells and tells them they don't know how to grow right. They end up looking like everything you're seeing here.
Oh, can I pick this up like a... You're supposed to touch it with your finger. It's wet. You like the top part?
Mm-hmm. It does look like it's fake.
Hear that? No, there was a snap. Yeah, it was right down there. There was a snap.
Probably deer or something.
Probably.
It's dense and no one goes back here, so they all get flooded back here.
So you could dig here because it's here on the hillside, and the top of the hill's close.
Yeah.
So it's got to be in the ground here.
These are really cool. This and this. What are they?
What is?
Not regular pine.
Oh, I know. I want to stop this for just a minute because there was a really weird sound. It sounded like a dog bark, but there's no dogs out here. There's no other people out here. We've driven out here dozens and dozens of miles. I don't know how long, but hours of driving. Haven't seen anyone except back on the road, and it just sounded really odd. It sounded like a dog out in the background with a little echo, but also kind of sounded like a weird dog, and we didn't make any mention of it in the video. And I'm literally paying attention for sounds and pointing out stuff. So the whole thing seems weird. Is it only in the video, my audio, and we didn't actually hear it there? Because I've had that happen before, believe it or not. Be in the ground here.
These are really cool. This and this. These are really cool. These.
I don't know, like a lodgepole pine. It's the kind of pine I was just saying that. I was like, this is a really cool little pine.
Yeah, look at this one. That's so cool.
Yeah, and the thing is, they're diseased here. They have what's called Witches Broom. A lot of it.
Oh, the trash.
So I don't know if it's already in these ones, you know?
Yeah.
I would think it's not. The way that I think it's like mistletoe. So it's like a bacteria or virus or something that gets on the tree, one tree to the next.
What brings it? Birds?
Oh. This area might bring it to all the rest of the world. There's a lot of it here. You see the tree?
Yeah.
It's not supposed to grow like that.
Do you remember there was a little thing that they tried to say?
Oh. This.
Birds?
Oh.